Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove and replace rear turn signal light bulb on BMW guys. BMW 3 Series, this one will be E90, E91, 92. We'll be demonstrating on E91, but the procedure will be the same for all. So when I start the car, okay, let me show you now. We're going to get a message here for a burnt bulb. Okay, this one here. And if you use your stick here and you go to the control, check control, message, okay, we click on the bulb, and if you have the iDrive, it's going to say right rear turn signal malfunction. So we'll need to go ahead and replace it. Left and right side will be identical, and we'll see if the lamp will be gone in just a minute. Also guys, please subscribe. We have more than 200 videos on this car. If you need anything, drop a comment, we'll try to make a video for you, and check out our official Facebook page. So we'll demonstrate on the rear right side. The left one will be the same. The wagon, okay, this is a E91. Might differ a little bit from the sedan, but not much. Okay, when you open your trunk, almost everything looks the same. So we need to pull that cover now out of the way. Okay, you just lift it up and pull it out. And now, since we'll be working on the right side, we'll need to remove that panel here so we can access the bulb. And this panel usually is held by two clips, one here and one over there. As you can see, last time it was replaced, the person did not install those. So how you remove it? Okay, you grab it and kind of like need to find a spot to grab it, and you pull it. It comes this way because you can see right here there is one clip and one clip over there. Later, those plastic clips, okay, look just like this one here. You're going to remove the middle piece up and then remove the whole clip. So now guys, okay, you can get to the tail light, and right here there is one place that you push up. I'm going to show you in a second, and pull the bulbs out, or down, push down, my bad. Okay, you can see that spot right here. You push down and you pull the bulbs out. Now the turn signal light bulb is the one on the very top. It's this one here, and you can see how ours is burnt. So we're going to go ahead, remove it, get a new one now. You can find the bulb that we used in the description of the video as well. And how you install it, you need to get it in the right place and push in until it clicks. Don't forget to install your panel. And I'm going to go ahead, start the car now, okay, and see if that message is gone there now. Hopefully it is. And again guys, we have more than 200 videos on this BMW, so please subscribe to the channel. Now right here I'm going to click to go to check control, click again, and I do not the burn bulb message anymore. So that's how you fix it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and many more videos to come.